welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Fashe YouTube channel. From wherever you're watching from, you're welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button so that you can join the league of subscribers that are getting top-notch value from this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you very quick. It is a short video that I just compiled for you to show you a new thing that in case you don't know. So I'm going to teach you how you can use your Xender application to convert a video to audio. I'm very sure that most of you know Xender as an application that allows you to share your information, share your documents, your videos, and but there are more to Xender. You can use your Xender to convert your video to audio in case you have a video file that you want to convert it so that you can listen to your music on the go. So you can use your Xender as well instead of getting an audio converter. Xender 2 is a go-to. So I'm going to show you quickly how you can use your Xender to convert video to audio. Like I said before, if you are subscribed to my channel, please do now. It's very important you subscribe to my channel. There are videos that are ready for you that you have to watch, that you're going to learn. You are to learn a lot, especially this video. Make your first 6 figures doing 8 skills, 8 things you need to know to make your first 6 figures. You need that. And also you need so many things on this channel. So for you to get the juices, you have to be a subscriber. So let's get back to business. How to convert a video file to audio to Xender. So here is my Xender application. So you can log on to your Xender application. So let's see. So this is my Xender application. Now if you see the footer part of it, you see to MP3 game social me. So you just need the only part that says to MP3. Click it. So once you click it, you select a video that you want to convert to audio. So I want to select a video I want to convert to audio. So I have a video of my training that I want to convert to so that I can put it on MP3 so that people can listen to it. So and there is the video I want to convert to audio. You can see it already converts. You have to wait for it to convert. So while we are waiting, let me take you back to my channel so you can see what you can learn on my channel. Now if you want to learn how to create a sales page using your smartphone, I have a tutorial for that. Now if you want this, you can comment under this video that teach me sales page creation. Now I have a very low price for you. If you are in Nigeria, just paying 2,000 naira, and I'm going to show you how you can link your seller account to this sales page. Now let me flip through it so you can see what we have there.
Good morning, my name is Fashe. You are an expert. I want to show you something very quickly. I created this sales page for a client called Buffalo World Concept. Now this sales page will enable you to display your product to your client even if you do not have a website yet. And this is very superb. I did this with my smartphone. So I want to show you how you can do this by yourself with your smartphone. Also teach others and make times 10 of the money you're going to invest in this training. Now this training will just go for 2,000 naira this morning, because I'm very sure if I show you how you can do this on your own, you can teach over 100 people and make more than what you are going to invest in it. So it's very simple. This is very unique.
So that's all about that. So if you want to learn this, just come to my DM and type show me how to create LP page. So I'm going to show you with just 2,000 naira. I'm going to learn this. You're going to learn this with just 2,000 naira. I'm going to show you, and there are some other videos you can actually watch on my channel. I've carefully created some professional page for you, how to protect your app for activity from Facebook. You need to watch this. It will give you an instruction on how to, and so many others. So let's get back to what we are doing now. This is my Xender. So the video has already been converted to audio. Can you see? Let me play it for you. You can see. So that's all for now. So now if you are yet subscribed to my channel, now in some days coming, I'm going to upload some videos on how to do some things. Now it is secret, though I'm just trying to show you, let you know that you have to be a subscriber. And please share this video with your friends that need a free tutorial on some things. Now you get to learn a lot on my channel. I hope you'll be able to learn a lot in this video. You get to grab a new thing. I hope so. Thank you very much, and please subscribe again. Thank you. We'll see you later.